Motion design is a profession that requires many skill sets. You need to know how to design, how to animate, how to use a bunch of complex software, and lots of other things. One question we get all the time here at School of Motion is, where do you start? And the answer is, you start with the basics. If you can get comfortable with Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and a few design principles, you'll have all the tools you need to get started in the world of motion design. And that's why we're thrilled to present Photoshop and Illustrator Unleashed. This course is designed to get you very familiar using the two most popular design apps in the world, and to show you how to use them in the context of motion design. You'll learn how to use Illustrator's tools to create complex vector artwork. You'll get a crash course in using the powerful image manipulation tools in Photoshop. You'll learn the professional workflow that artists in our field use to go from concept to rough sketch to final storyboards. And you'll learn how to use these two complementary tools together to create stunning work that's ready for animation. We've also partnered up with Pond5 to provide you with amazing stock imagery to use in this course, getting you used to working with professional assets even as you're learning. Photoshop and Illustrator Unleashed is the perfect way to get started in this field. It leads directly into our other classes and will give you a great foundation before you tackle more advanced topics. And like all School of Motion classes, this course is jam-packed with resources and guidance. You'll listen to the Photoshop and Illustrator Unleashed podcast, featuring interviews with some of the best designers in MoGraph and loads of valuable insights. You'll check out weekly recaps during The Dojo, a show that features your session's work and dives deeper into the topics you've been covering. You'll be assigned one of our amazing teaching assistants to give you critiques on your work and to answer any questions you may have about the material and about Photoshop and Illustrator. And you'll be doing it all with a group of students from all over the world who are on the same motion design journey. If you've been wanting to jump headfirst into the world of motion design, but you didn't know where to start, or if you just don't feel comfortable yet working with Photoshop and Illustrator on your projects, this is the course you've been waiting for. Contact us if you have any questions about the class or our curriculum, and I hope to see you in the next session.